Hello, my name is Hassan Sorrells, and this is the Leadership Lessons from the Great Books podcast. Shorts. There's no co-host on these shorts episodes. These are now 6 to 8 minute long observations, ideas, thoughts, or rants about the literature, philosophy, psychology, and even the theology of leadership. Because listening to me talk about leadership for now around 6 to 8 minutes is still better than reading and trying to understand yet another business book. Leaders. The most practical way to establish meaning is to restore the roots of tradition for your followers in their daily practices at work. Most of your followers, and even you yourself as a leader, have been raised as an American and increasingly global culture where the epistemic truth of reality is consistently under assault by the acid of relativistic postmodern ideas. From online communications to in real life interactions, your followers, the very people who make up the human capital of your team, have been long drowning in a sea of meaninglessness where the presence of tradition and the need for roots grounded in history, family, and community, well, this grounding has been dismissed as being passé, as being unnecessary, as being something that is not needed. The interesting thing, though, is when leaders in workplaces begin to create traditions backed up by great pay, enlightened task assigning, and care for people as people, their teams and organizations begin to grow that thing you call culture. You know, that thing that no executive knows the definition of, but that every executive leader knows is missing when it is not there. Leaders, this is 2023, so take action to restore the roots of tradition in your organizations and on your teams. By the way, this action goes beyond merely encouraging habits, bribing people to commit with perks, and raising pay willy-nilly. So leaders, get creative in creating tradition during these revolutionary times. And well, that's it for me. Listen and subscribe to the Leadership Lessons from the Great Books podcast on all the major podcast players that you listen to podcasts on, including iTunes, Stitcher, Google Podcasts, and even Spotify. And please leave a 5-star review if you like the show. We need those reviews to grow, and it's the easiest way to make sure that this show gets into the ears of the leaders who need to hear it. And of course, tell all your friends. If you want to get started on the leadership path, HSCT Publishing's products and services can help your team do that. Check out our training webinars, coaching services, and more at leadershiptoolbox.us. We also have a video-based subscription service, that's software as a service, that can help your team become better at the individual level. 60 modules and over 100 hours of video and written content for you at leadingkeys.com. That's leadingkeys.com. We've also got books that will help you and your team grow. Pick up a copy today of My Boss Doesn't Care, 100 Essays on Disrupting Your Workplace by Disrupting Your Boss, and subscribe to the Little Red podcast I launched earlier this year with the same name as that Little Red book. My most recent book is 12 Rules for Leaders, the Foundation of Intentional Leadership. Co-written with contributions from Bradley Madigan, this is the book for right now that was written for leaders right now. Pick up a copy by heading over to 12rulesleadersbook.com/now. That's 12rulesleadersbook.com/now. You pay for shipping, and you'll get a copy of my second book as well. Finally, you can get all these books in paperback, hardcover, or as ebooks on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, Kobo, and any other place online you order books. Finally, HSCT Publishing is on YouTube. Like and subscribe to the video version of the Leadership Lessons for the Great Books podcast on the HSCT Publishing channel on YouTube. Just search for HSCT Publishing and hit the subscribe button. You'll get our weekly video updates which is the video version of this podcast. And of course, you're going to want to subscribe to my other podcast. That's right, I do more than one. The Hasan Sorrells Presents audio experience, where I talk more casually with a broader range of people about all matters that matter in the world today, from arts all the way to analytics. All right, that's it for me.